guys, welcome back to my channel. We was up early this morning because I'm trying to use these Home Depot gift cards that I couldn't use last time. So I'm gonna make a quick run to Home Depot and get all the things I was supposed to get last time this time, because I have everything that I need this time. So let me make sure, because I'm pissed if I get there and I don't have what I need. Okay, yeah, we good. But yeah, okay, I gotta get light bulbs, the specialty light bulbs for my kitchen. And then I gotta get, you know, like them cafeteria lights. I have one of those in my kitchen too, so I get one of those. And then I'm gonna get another water filter. Just found out yesterday I gotta get a new toilet seat. Child, this lady's being me dry. I don't know how I feel about that. So we got to do like a little story time of what's going on behind the scenes, but we'll get to that eventually. So yeah, don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all when I get to Home Depot. Alright, y'all, I made it inside Home Depot. I already picked up my first thing, this. Now let's get my specialty bulbs. Hold on. I can't do what I want because it's the person behind me. Y'all can't even see me. I got them though. Now I need the ooh, are they down here? Does it even give me a brand on here? 20-watt cool. Ooh, I just broke it. Kitchen and bath. This is what we're going with, y'all. Can y'all see? Yep, that's what we're gonna go with. Alright, ooh. Alright, y'all. I got my water filter. Now it's time to get the toilet seat. My daddy told me I needed a round toilet seat. So let's see. I see those. Can y'all see these at the bottom right here? What I'm putting it? Yeah. Those are the round ones that I see. He said go for the wood. Alright, so I need a round toilet seat. The question is, does it matter what brand I get? think this is fine, right? Baby, we're going with this one. It's 20 bucks, so that's what we're going with. All right, y'all, we came in, we got what we needed, and we out. We did it in about 30 minutes. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself. I don't even think it's been 30 minutes. Knew what I want, came and got it, and we up out of here. Now, time to go to work. Guys, as you guys can see, I'm back at the house. I'm not in my paint clothes just yet, but just give me a few minutes and I will. So I gotta get some stuff set up first. So today's goal is to finish painting. When I say finish painting, like finish my trim upstairs, because that's all that's left. I'm gonna do the trim upstairs, and honestly I kind of want to start cleaning. So like these floors, my daddy kind of cleaned me and he cleaned the floors a little bit so they're not as sticky as they was, but maybe these floors were sticky at one point. So the goal is to finish upstairs today, and then we'll make my way back downstairs so I can start cleaning like the floors and stuff. Because downstairs I didn't put nothing down, so there's a lot of paint splatters on the floor. So I kind of want to get those up. Yeah. Ooh, I need to change light bulbs and stuff that's and put in all the stuff that I bought earlier today at Home Depot. So let's do the light bulbs first. for the light. She's a lot brighter. Yes, we love it. Love it, love it. Okay, so I changed the light bulbs. So they're much brighter. These are 60 watts. I think I had 20 in the last one, but as y'all can see, this is the lighting from here, not like my windows. I closed my window, the blinds over there, so make sure that it's bright, and it is. Sorry y'all, don't mind me. I'm watching the game. We multitasking around here, okay? So yeah, let me go ahead and put the covers on top. First set of light bulbs done. Now I need to change the light bulb. Oh gosh. I'm turning the light on. Alright. Alright, so now I gotta change. I don't know if y'all can see, it's a light bulb right here that I need to change. Call my daddy. Hey, Daddy.
Yep.
The light that goes over the sink.
Yep.
Why are you saying it like that?
How you put it in?
Yep.
Not really. I mean, as long as it's turned off. As long as the light switch is turned off.
Yeah, it's off.
Yeah. So the two grooves.
Right, I see them. I see them. Is it kind of like ones where you push like these two grooves here? You just push in on both sides.
Yep. And once both sides are in,
Uh-huh.
turn it. You twist the light.
Twist it.
Yep.
I feel like I'm gonna whatchamacallit, Daddy.
You know what?
Break this thing. Cause I can get one groove in, but the other one I can't.
You're pushing it straight in, so both grooves can fit in there.
Hold on. Ah. I got you. Okay. It works. Let there be light.
I'll put it on.
Oh, for me calling? That's terrible. Y'all had to call my dad to get some help. But she in now. Okay, she in. Alright, so lights are changed. I think that's all I got. Ooh, no, I had got some other light bulbs too. And I got an extra water filter, but that's just so they can have and they can know which one to buy moving forward. But let me go ahead and start getting my stuff taken upstairs. So I know I need light bulbs upstairs. This